It's your wedding day. How do you feel?
Great.
How great? Scale of 1 to 10.
20.
Oh!
It's been an amazing ride together thus far. We've been at each other's side through med school, OT school, survived working together in the same hospital. You not only helped me survive, but you helped me flourish. We've been together for almost 7 years now, and I still look forward to coming home and seeing you smile and what you have on your face. I know I'm not good at conveying my emotions, but everything I do is to try to make our lives together better. I'll strive every day to be the man you love. I can't imagine anyone else I'd rather be on this journey with, and I can't wait to see where life continues to take us.
Kelsey and Eric, you've begun a new adventure here today by speaking your vows before your family and friends, and you will do it again in days and years to come, standing by each other, sharing all the sweets and bitter of life. Each tender act, each loving word, will be the declaration of what was meant to you today. By the power of city, I promise you, husband and wife, you may go out and dance.
Eric, I can't believe this day is finally here. When writing my vows, I reflected on how far we have come together. Although it took us a while to get to this point, I wouldn't have had it any other way. I have watched you grow into the amazing person that you are, and my love grows more for you every day. I promise to always support your dreams and accept your faults. I promise to lift you up when you are down, and to always laugh at your crazy dance moves. I can't promise you that tomorrow will be perfect, or that life will be easy, but I promise to keep updating our vows as we go, because one set of vows can't cover a lifetime of growing and changing with you. I vow to choose you every day, to struggle and succeed with, to love and grow old with. I promise to remember that neither of us is perfect, but that we are perfect for each other. You have changed my life for the better, and for that I am eternally grateful. You are my best friend, and because of you I laugh and smile more. I cannot wait to see what our lives together will be. In the words of Winnie the Pooh, any day spent with you is my favorite day, so today is my new favorite day. I love you.